In the previous video, we have created our first bot and we identified a problem in a code base. The code in the buggy program, we identified what is the problem in that code. Now we are going to update this agent to actually fix the problem in the code base. Okay. So reading bot has only read-only permission. It cannot able to modify that. So we are going to use a writing bot for that. And anyway, let's try to create a loop. We are not going to just use only one agent. Let's have reading bot as the first agent. Let's use another agent now. Let's create fix bot. Let's use writing bot now. So for that we have to import writing bot from Microbots. And writing bot again same parameters. It is going to use Web3 coder model and it is going to work on the same agent workspace, right? So we can simply paste both of them here. And we don't need to analyze the code right now because the reading bot has already analyzed and the output is there in the response. So if you see the response output, the response is a JSON data and it has task done and it is a final thought. Let's give the thoughts of the previous bot, previous agent as an input to the next agent. So what we are going to do is fix response equal fix run task equal to the buggy program.py is having some error. The error details are in. I'll put F here. Response have to be response of, so what is that name? It is thoughts. Okay, response of thoughts. Don't need to give it. Understand it and fix the bug in the code. Now again we are going to give timeout as 5 minutes. Let's close this one and instead of printing the response, let's print fix response. We even don't need it because our code should be fixed. This close bracket should be present after the agent completes its task. Okay, let's clear the console and run the program. Same Python my first agent.py. So it is going to create two agents. So it is going to create two containers. So first agent is going to identify the problem and second agent will get the input from the first agent and understand the problem. And then it is going to use that knowledge to fix the problem. Still the first agent is not yet started. The first agent is started now. Okay, it is again trying to see the file availability. File is there. Then it is trying to print the file. It's trying to print the file using cat command. The file content is printed. LLM understood the problem. It has mentioned the buggy row should be having a close bracket. So then, so it could not able to take. So there's a syntax error in the code. Response understands it, fix the bug. So the first agent is complete, but actually before starting the second agent, there's a syntax error. The response starts understand it. Bot run result doesn't have subscriptable. Okay, so this is actually a type bot run result. So we have to call it as not response dot. You can see that by running importing microbots. So you can do that using Python 3. I don't have. Okay, Python 3. Simply import microbot from microbots import bot run result. So this is the object which is returned from the bots run every time. And okay, so it is a static object and it is having status, result and error. So we have to use the result, not thought. From that we can understand it should not be response.thoughts, it should be response.result. Now let's run this again. So we have to wait once again. The first agent has to complete, then only we'll know what is inside. The first agent is started looking for the files availability. Yeah, it found the file. Now it will print the file, we know that. Okay, it got the file content. Then the second bot is started, second agent is started. First agent identified the problem, it should be with a close brace. There is a bracket, close braces is missing. And this will be given to the second agent. We have to see whether second agent taking the output from the first agent and fix the problem. Okay, second agent also started. So it says the user has identified the syntax error because it is not the user, it is the message from the previous agent. And where the closing bracket is missing, the LLM is running this command. It is running the find command and in this file, okay, it is looking for the file. Then the find command is not allowed in microbots because find may actually go to indefinitely if there are soft links loop back. So you have to pass max depth as an argument for find command. So this is one of the security features from Microbots. Microbot is not allowing the agent to create infinite amount of token. Then once again, the writing bot also prints the file. Then writing bot understood the problem. It is using SED command, set command to replace the buggy line with the correct line, proper line. So now it says the syntax error has been fixed. Let's open the file and see the buggy program. The file has been fixed. We'll run the buggy program. Agent workspace, buggy program. Yeah, it is running. So by following this tutorial, you have created your own agent, not just an agent. You have created your own multi-agent system only in 27 lines of code. Actually, I was expecting the writing bot will not actually open the file and read. I will I was thinking it will understand, it will take the input from the reading bot and then it will go and fix it immediately. It is not the case. Maybe this LLM is working differently. It wants to actually verify the bug by itself before fixing it. Different LLMs work differently that we cannot able to control. But the fundamental is simple, right? Like however the LLM is behaving, our job as an agent creator is creating a scaffolding for the agent where the LLM can able to run whatever command it wants and get the details and make it work on the workspace. And with microbots, we can able to do that. We can able to provide a scaffolding for the LLM so easily in less amount of code. Hope you like this series. If you like this series and if you want to learn more about microbots, if you want to learn different kinds of bot, microbot is having, we have seen reading bot and writing bot, but they have log analysis bot, browser bot, patch backporter bot, and they have agent bots, which is going to be a multi-agent orchestration, and they have different concepts. Like if you go internal of microbots, they have something called environment, they have tool use, so you can integrate your own custom tool with microbots. Those are all advanced concepts. If you want to know more about them, if you're interested, actually you want to deep dive into agent development, please put that in the comment. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if I get better response, I'm going to explain concepts of microbots one by one in an easy manner. And I'm going to explain the internal architecture so you can understand what is actually happening inside an agent well and good. So don't forget to mention in the comment if you want to learn more about agents. And please share the content with friends who is interested in agent development. Thank you for watching.